Good day everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to assign static IP address and dynamic IP address. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. But first, let us define what is IP addressing, what is static IP address, and what is dynamic IP address. IP addressing is the assigning of unique numerical address to a network device. Static IP address is a permanent IP address that is manually assigned by the network administrator. It is prone to security risk and difficult to assign. Dynamic IP address is a temporary IP address that is automatically assigned by the DHCP server. It is more secure and easy to assign. Let's start on assigning a static IP address. The first step to do is to access the control panel of your computer. You can access the control panel of your computer by typing Control Panel on the search tab and double-click the icon that will appear. From the Control Panel tab, locate and select Network and Internet. After selecting the Network and Internet option, locate and select the Network and Sharing Center option. From the Network and Sharing Center option, you can now view your active connection. This active connection tells your current adapter used in connecting your computer into the network. The next step is to locate and select Change Adapter Settings. Under the Network Connections, select your active network adapter. Active network adapter means the adapter you used in connecting your computer to a network. In this case, I used Wi-Fi or WLAN adapter in connecting my laptop. The next step is to right-click on the active network adapter and select Properties. In Wi-Fi or WLAN adapter properties, locate and select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. From the TCP IPv4 properties under General tab, tick or select Use the following IP address. Assign a permanent IP address for your computer. Remember, the first 3 octets of your default gateway should be the same on the first 3 octets of your IP address. If you don't know what your default gateway is, you need to access command prompt and then type ipconfig. To access command prompt, you can type command prompt on your Windows search bar and double-click the icon that will appear. After opening the command prompt, type ipconfig and hit enter. You will see different configurations and default gateway is one of them. Now, let us assign our IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the preferred DNS. The last step is to select OK after manually assigning the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the preferred DNS to apply changes. To see if your IP address had changed, access the command prompt by pressing Windows plus R button simultaneously and then type CMD and press enter. After opening the command prompt, type ipconfig and hit enter. Check your IP address if it changes. Now, let us change static IP address back to dynamic IP address. The steps in assigning a dynamic IP address is almost the same in assigning a static IP address. Apply steps 1 to 8 in setting a static IP address to access the Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4 properties to see the current network configuration. The next step is to tick or select the Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically to set the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS automatically by the DHCP server. The last step is to select OK to apply the changes. To see if your IP address had changed, access the command prompt by pressing Windows plus R button simultaneously and then type CMD and press enter. After opening the command prompt, type ipconfig and hit enter. Check your IP address if it changes. That's all. Thank you for watching.